Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ria Varsami and I'm a Shamanic Astrologer. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming full moon that is happening in the energy of Sagittarius on the 14th of June. So this is a super full moon, and every time we have a full moon is a time where the cycle of the moon comes on its peak, when we release, when we let go. It's a time for healing, and also when we have a full moon, things that we couldn't see before come up to the light. Now, because this full moon is happening in Sagittarius, in Shamanic Astrology, Sagittarius is the archetype of the adventurer, of the humanitarian, and of the seeker of the truth, of the philosopher. Sagittarius is a very, very positive, it's the most positive energy we have in the zodiac. It's connected with traveling, with adventure, with the truth, with a higher vision, with learning, with expansion. So under this full moon, a lot of things that we couldn't see before in terms of the truth will come up to the surface, and we just come into this deep realization. Also, if we can't really understand what's going on in our life right now, the full moon in Sagittarius will give us this eagle eye view, like a different perspective. Will let us see our life from a different perspective. Now, there are very many interesting things under this full moon event. We have a lot of planets in their rulerships. We have Venus in Taurus in its rulership, we have Mars in Aries in its rulership, and we have also Mercury in Gemini in its rulership. Mercury moves to Gemini on the 13th of June, just a day before the full moon. Mercury is the planet of communication. Venus is connected with our divine feminine, is the planet of love, of relationships, of art, of beauty. And Mars is the planet of action, of manifestation, of the divine, is connected with our divine masculine side. So having all these Venus, Mars and Mercury, three inner planets in their rulership, this is marking like a very straightforward energy. Even still, things can be a little bit confused still, and I will tell you why. The other thing I would like to mention, we have a very major event, a very major aspect during this full moon. We have a T-square, an astrological aspect, we call it T-square. Every time we have a full moon, the sun does an opposition with the moon. And so we have the sun now in Gemini, and we have the moon in Sagittarius, and this is forming a T-square with Neptune in Pisces. Neptune now is the planet of intuition, of spirituality, is the king of the dream world, and the shadow part of Neptune is illusion and confusion. So under this full moon event, the days before and after, because it's not just the day of the event, you might feel confused and you don't know what's happening, and you are not very clear what step to take, where to go, what to do. So this is very normal. That's what Neptune does. And as I said, these three inner planets in the rulership will pushing to get this energy moving forward. Now also, another thing is Chiron, the wounded healer, the asteroid that is connected with our deepest wounds and traumas, does a conjunction with Mars, the planet of war, of action and manifestation, and is telling us, is teaching us, don't take action based on your past traumas and wounds, but take action based on self-love. So another thing that we have as an assistant during this full moon is Saturn. Saturn moved into retrograde since the 4th of June. Every year Saturn moves in retrograde for 4 months and a half, and this is the last time it is in retrograde in Aquarius, and it's going to be there until the 23rd of October. So Saturn is the planet of karma. Saturn is connected with the challenges and difficulties. It's a planet where wherever is in your chart, you will see where you will learn the most of your lessons during this lifetime. So Saturn retrograde in Aquarius is teaching us also, don't repeat the same karmic patterns, don't repeat the same cycles. It's there to reminding these lessons and make sure we learn so we can move forward. And also during this full moon, Saturn does a very good aspect. We call it sextile in astrology with the moon. So Saturn comes to give us solution, comes with this Aquarian innovative energy to give us these bright, innovative new ideas and take us out of this Neptune confusion, mind paralysis, right? So this is a very, very beautiful full moon with a lot of things actually happening. And as to make a conclusion, this full moon event is all about finding this clarity, seeing this higher truth, seeing from a higher perspective, and find the strength, find all this courage with Jupiter, with Mars in Aries that are giving us to take the next step, to move into action. But be careful, take action based on your intuition. Take action based on your gut feeling, on your body's intuition. Take action based on self-love, and don't take action based on fear of scarcity, or take action, and don't take action out of lack. So this is the major energy of this full moon event. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you a very beautiful full moon. If you like the video, make sure you press the like button. Feel free to comment. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. And if you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every new moon and every full moon. Thank you, and bye for now.